Welcome back to my channel. Luxury Drive Car 2025 Audi A8, a luxury sedan that exemplifies Audi's commitment to innovation, performance, and sophistication. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into the various aspects that make the A8 a standout in its class, from its exterior design to its advanced technological features. The 2025 Audi A8 commands attention with its elegant and modern design. The front fascia is dominated by Audi's signature single-frame grille, flanked by sleek LED headlights that provide excellent illumination while enhancing the vehicle's aesthetic appeal. The sculpted lines along the body contribute to a dynamic yet refined profile, culminating in a rear section characterized by stylish LED taillights and integrated exhaust outlets. The overall design language reflects a harmonious blend of athleticism and luxury. Under the hood, the A8 offers a range of powertrains designed to cater to diverse driving preferences. The base model features a 3.0-liter V6 engine, delivering a robust 335 horsepower and 369 pounds-to-feet of torque. For those seeking enhanced performance, Audi provides a 4.0-liter V8 option, producing an impressive 453 horsepower and 487 pounds-to-feet of torque. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, ensuring optimal traction and handling across various driving conditions. Stepping inside the A8, occupants are greeted by a meticulously crafted interior that exudes luxury and comfort. High-quality materials, including premium leather upholstery and fine wood accents, adorn the cabin. The spacious seating arrangement offers ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, with the rear seats providing optional features such as heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Ambient lighting and a panoramic sunroof further enhance the serene atmosphere within the vehicle. The A8's infotainment system is anchored by Audi's MMI touch response system, featuring dual touch screens that control various functions, including navigation, audio, and climate settings. The system supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless smartphone integration. An available Bang & Olufsen 3D advanced sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, catering to audiophiles seeking premium sound quality. Safety is paramount in the 2025 A8, which comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. Standard offerings include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automated emergency braking. Optional features, such as a night vision assistant and a 360-degree camera system, provide additional layers of security, enhancing driver confidence in various driving scenarios. On the road, the A8 delivers a balanced driving experience, combining comfort with responsive handling. The adaptive air suspension system adjusts in real time to road conditions, ensuring a smooth ride. Drivers can select from multiple driving modes to tailor the vehicle's dynamics to their preferences, whether prioritizing fuel efficiency or engaging in spirited driving. In terms of fuel efficiency, the A8's V6 engine achieves an EPA estimated 22 miles per gallon in the city and 30 miles per gallon on the highway, while the V8 variant offers 17 miles per gallon city and 26 miles per gallon highway. These figures are commendable for a vehicle in this segment, reflecting Audi's commitment to balancing performance with environmental considerations. The 2025 Audi A8 also emphasizes connectivity and technological advancement. The vehicle offers a Wi-Fi hotspot, multiple USB ports, and wireless charging capabilities, ensuring passengers remain connected on the go. Advanced navigation features provide real-time traffic updates and route suggestions, enhancing the overall driving experience. In conclusion, the 2025 Audi A8 stands as a testament to Audi's dedication to luxury, performance, and innovation. Its sophisticated design, powerful engine options, luxurious interior, and advanced technological features position it as a formidable contender in the luxury sedan market. Whether you're a driver seeking exhilarating performance or a passenger desiring unparalleled comfort, the A8 caters to a wide array of preferences, solidifying its status as a flagship model in Audi's lineup. The backside of the 2025 Audi A8 exudes elegance and modern sophistication, embodying the brand's signature luxury design language. Audi has refined the rear aesthetics with sleek, elongated LED taillights that span the width of the vehicle, creating a striking and futuristic lighting signature. The LED taillights not only enhance visibility but also offer customizable light animations, adding a dynamic visual appeal. The sculpted rear bumper seamlessly integrates with the body lines, giving the A8 a streamlined and aerodynamic appearance. Chrome accents along the trunk lid and lower bumper add a touch of refinement, complementing the vehicle's premium aesthetic. The dual exhaust outlets, subtly incorporated into the rear diffuser, maintain a sporty yet sophisticated look without being overly aggressive. Functionality is also a key aspect of the A8's rear design. The hands-free power trunk lid offers convenience, allowing users to access the spacious cargo area with a simple foot motion under the bumper. The trunk itself is generously sized, providing ample storage for luggage and other essentials, making it ideal for both daily use and long-distance travel. Aerodynamic enhancements, including a subtly integrated rear spoiler, improve stability at higher speeds while maintaining the sedan's elegant proportions. Overall, the rear of the 2025 Audi A8 balances style, functionality, and cutting-edge technology, reinforcing its status as a top-tier luxury sedan. Whether viewed in motion or at a standstill, the A8's rear design commands attention with its precision craftsmanship and modern appeal. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.